you were slowly going, trying to get free.
Hey y'all, Bradley Gilmore from Lulas Southern Cookhouse. Got sous chef Miles out here.
How y'all doing?
We're out here with the Angus Association at BoysGrow. Just finished up smoking some brisket, doing burnt ends. We got apple crisp, baked beans, corn on the cob, coleslaw, potato salad. What a gorgeous night out here at a gorgeous farm doing the Lord's work for these kids. Couldn't be prouder to be part of this organization and helping these guys out tonight.
No matter how hard we try, we just can't get it right.